Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And dear students, my today's topic is the monohybrid inheritance and the law of segregation. It is for class 10th. Inheritance is the transmission of genetically controlled characteristics or traits from one generation to the next. In order to trace the inheritance of a single pair of contrasting characteristics among the pea plants, Mendel crossed the pea plants differing in these traits and noted their occurrence in the progeny of succeeding generations. So Mendel first crossed purebred tall pea plants with purebred dwarf pea plants and found that only tall pea plants were produced in the first generation or F1 generation. No dwarf pea plants were obtained in the first generation or F1 generation. So from this Mendel concluded that the first generation showed the traits of only one of the parent plants, that is tallness. The trait of other parent plant, dwarfness, did not show up in the progeny of first generation. Now Mendel then crossed the pea plants of the first generation and found that tall plants and dwarf plants were obtained in the second generation or F2 generation in the ratio of 3:1. That means in the F2 generation 3/4 plants were tall and 1/4 were dwarf. So Mendel noted that the dwarf trait of the parent plant, which had seemingly disappeared in the first generation progeny, reappeared in the second generation. Mendel said that the trait of dwarfness of one of the parent pea plant had not been lost. It was merely concealed or suppressed in the F1 generation to re-emerge in the second generation. So Mendel called the repressed trait of dwarfness as recessive trait and the expressed trait of tallness as the dominant trait. So Mendel also noted that all the pea plants produced from the hybrid tall parents of F1 generation were either tall or dwarf. There were no plants with medium height in between the tall and dwarf plants. So in this way, Mendel's experiments showed that the traits like tallness and dwarfness are inherited independently. In Mendel's cross, so out of a total of 1064 pea plants of F2 generation, Mendel found that there were 787 tall pea plants and 277 dwarf pea plants. The ratio of tall plants to dwarf plants comes to be 787 is to 277, that is 2.84 is to 1, which is approximately equal to 3:1. So this ratio of 3:1 is known as the monohybrid ratio.